Hello, Dr. Danger Mousette here, and today I have a replacement battery for my iPhone 7. So I'm going to show you what's in the box, and unfortunately it looks like I need a knife to get in there. So just open it here. There we go. And let's see what's in the box. I'm being challenged by a box. Alright, okay, here we go. Right, okay, this looks pretty cool. We obviously have, move that over there, the battery itself here. We also have quite a lot, I think that's for pulling the screen off, of tools here. So that's basically what comes in the box. Now I've got a fundamental problem here, is that the phone I'm replacing the battery on is the one I'm videoing with, so I can't show you how the fix works, which is unfortunate because they're kind of my favourite things where I'm actually doing stuff and mending stuff. But what I will do is let you know how it goes, because there are some pretty cool tools here. I already have most of them in my toolbox, to be honest, and I've got no idea what these are for. It looks like it's going to be an interesting job. These appear to be something to do with the screen. I don't know what those are. You know what? I've not been particularly helpful at the moment. But what I will do is... there are instructions. Hang on, this is the key part. I will follow the instructions and tell you how easy or difficult it was to insert. Now, normally, jobs like this, especially when they give you all kinds of weird tools, look worse than they normally are. And when you get into it, it's normally quite straightforward. But I will let you know. Thank you for watching.